All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for tuning again. And we're going to speak about a small matter. Now, this small matter has to do with our goal scoring threat that we have. This, we're going to showcase this evening, actually. We're going to discuss three players that I do think are key in us getting some goals. uh, I'm going to say four. I'm just going to discuss it in a small matter. But with the absentee of Mikel Antonio, who has been our most prolific, and also Shamar Nicholson, both of them has been our most prolific, our most consistent goal scorer throughout the entirety of the World Cup qualifiers campaign. Now we're going to a game without any one of them. So we're going to discuss where we're going to get goals from and how these goals are likely to come by. So before I get into that, please smash the like button. Please hit that subscribe button. As you know, Military Guna TV, we're always here for the good things. So let me start off with the first player. The first player I'm looking at is now. Before I get into that, I'm going to use some of the players, some of our JPL players, how lethal they are, and also the players that are performing in Europe. So, first JPL player that I'm looking at is Attila Fry by Grave. Now, why do I think that he has anything to provide? Because one, he's a good striker. He's a good striker. I would call him a late bloomer. If you guys watch football, you'd know what late bloomers are. He's a good striker. So far this season, 8 games, 9 goals, 2 assists. So that's 11 goal contribution in just 8 games. So what I'm telling you, he can provide and also he can find the back of the net. That's it for us. That's the first person we're likely to at least get something from if he gets the opportunity to. Also, Andre, let's go to Ravel. These are the you know what? I'm going to touch on Leon Bailey. I have Leon Bailey as a goal threat, but the problem is that so far this season, not this season, but so far in the last few days or last few weeks of Leon Bailey, injuries, not much game time, so I can't just come right out and say Leon Bailey will definitely be a goal threat because we still haven't seen that yet in recent times. More so, however, his our first appearances for the club, but we haven't seen that since in a few months or so. So I can't have him as one. Now, next players are Ruel Mars. So Ruel Mars's last 5 games, he has scored 3 goals consecutive. Well, no, 2, then 1. Yeah, but in all aspects, he has been putting in tremendous performance at a false 9 position, playing a false 9 role for Derby County. And overall, his last couple of games, the last 5 games, his average match ratings is 7.3. As you know, it will fluctuate, but 7.3 is quite good. It is quite good. So I do expect and have Ruel Mars as one of the goal scoring threats. Then now we're going to look at the final person, which is, I did have Daniel Green on it, but I do think that Daniel Green will be playing out wide in the region of where Lamar Walker is at. But there's a competition for that. Lamar Walker, Alex Marshall, Liam Bill. These are the guys who play out wide. The next person is Andre Gray, who I think will be leading the line. In his last 5 games, he registered 3 goals and 1 assist. Also, with a completion of, the total match ratings of 7. And I do think that is quite comprehensive. So it depends on how we start. It depends on how the team looks, how we're going to get the goal. Ooh, that's tough. I do think that El Salvador is a team that plays possession-based football and they press really, really well. What we're going to do, we don't work well under pressure. We don't have the midfield specifically this time around. We're going to have to use wit. So more than likely, we're going to get a goal from coming off the wide areas. So I do think that if we're going to get a goal like that, it possibly can be Andre Gray getting that goal, maybe from a cross or a cutback, something of that sort, due to the fact that how we would have to play. I do believe that El Salvador will push us wide and force us to play in those wide zones more so than ever. I do think so. That's it. I won't go any further, guys. Please smash the like button if you think there are other players there who you believe can provide a more goal scoring threat. Please go in the comment section. Let me know. At this point, these are the players that I have: Ruel Mars, Andre Gray, Attila Fry by Grave. I did mention Daniel Green a little bit, and also No, I won't put Liam Bailey in it. So I do think that Liam Bailey needs to come around a little bit. And specifically, we haven't seen the best Liam Bailey in the Reggae Boyz jersey as yet. So it's a heavy task for me to put him in that region. He's not having a good few weeks. Playing good, but not consistent in regards to goal scoring and even providing goal. But so we'll see how that one goes. Until next time, people, Military Guna TV, we are out. Boom.